Tired of complicated international transfers? Let's get your money moving from BDO to any bank worldwide, quick and easy. First, log into your BDO online banking account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on the Send Money option on the dashboard. This will lead you to various transfer options. Choose to other banks and then select International Bank from the drop-down menu. This specifies you're sending money abroad. Now, carefully fill out the required details of the recipient's bank. You'll need the bank name, SWIFT code, account number, and the recipient's complete name and address. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the purpose of the transfer from the provided options. This is usually a regulatory requirement. Review all the details one last time on the confirmation page. If everything looks correct, click Confirm to proceed. You'll receive a one-time password or OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the required field on the BDO website to authorize the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully initiated an international wire transfer from your BDO account. The processing time will vary depending on the destination bank, but you'll usually receive a reference number for tracking the transaction.